Hi, I'm going to show you whiteboard.chat. Teachers upload their lessons from PDFs or from Google Drive or slides. They get multiple pages. They can invite students, and the students get their own copy, and they can start annotating and drawing on it. And the teacher uh, can see all the students in real time as they're working through their lesson. It's almost like there's a camera on top of each other's kids. The teachers can join the kids, they can go to their page, they can interact with them, they can tell them they're doing a good job, they can give them a sticker, um, and they can one on one observe the students as they're working through the lesson. The students can request for help, raise hands, um, and they can also, there's lots of grids built in, like big grids, writing grids for primary school, for bigger school. There's a music grid, you can actually write music with it. There's a chat which translates live in different languages, hundreds of languages. You can call a single student, you can do video conferencing with the whole class or with a breakout group. You can there's tools for mathematics, high school mathematics. There's active widgets that you can program from music to math. You can embed websites, YouTube videos. You can make puzzles. You can even write programs in a robotic, like for example, program robots to fight. There is reports that you can generate. You can play bingo with the whole class. You can observe the kids as they're playing bingo. Each kid gets their own bingo tile, and you can call out letters and alphabets. You can create virtual escape rooms with auto correction. So, just using the Dropbox feature here, if the answers is correct, then it will let you go to the next room or the next page, and you can observe again the whole class as they're working through um, their assignments and make it more fun for the kids, right? There's flashcards, matching cards, there's bump games that you can create. The teachers have created a whole bunch of different things using this platform which they are sharing. This is another car racing game with math. You can use the dice to play cars. Adults can use this as well. You can actually do agile programming. You can have counters that count money. You can embed slides in it. This list goes on and on and on. There's also an immersive reader built in, which can actually read out in hundreds of different languages text.
The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn.